from the wonderful Skipton, and today we've actually slept in the car park last night in the camper van. So we're going to do a vlog for you on the second channel of a canal boat ride. We've got our own canal boat for my dad's birthday, and we're going to go and get on it and get out onto them canals. On the boat, ready to go.
Yeah.
You're going on YouTube, mate. Don't run away, eh?
I'm running away.
Don't run away, eh? You've just given us the best safety demonstration ever. Be proud of it, own it. And that's that. Dodge is down there, look. Got all the family in there, look.
Yeah.
Evie's there, Auntie Anne's there, Roy's there, Connor's coming up.
Guys, we can smell gas.
Can you?
I can't with
Have you checked Ariella's nappy?
Oh no,
I'm ready when you are.
Yeah, get us off, right? Yeah.
Perfect.
I think he's going to boot us off this side, isn't he?
Captain for today.
I'm going. We need to go back then. No, I think he's just going to kick us out.
Yeah. Watch your head, Grandad.
you go for it, Georgia. Georgia.
Bye.
In a minute, I'm just...
So a load of rubbish in the water. I'm chasing a swan actually. And that rubbish is disgusting. It's absolutely vile. Look at it. So gorgeous as well. Look at that. Disgusting. Anyway. Connor's now Captain Connor. You should have hat on though. You've got to have hat on to be captain. Because you've got a massive head. Auntie Anne's kicking off because we didn't have no plates on boats. We've got the other boat there behind us, look. The Airedale. Captain Gareth and Captain Cal. George and Evie doing Titanic. Idiots. Yeah? Connor, where are you going?
Well,
No, you're going to crash into this metal container. Yeah.
we need a frying pan. We've got bacon to make bacon.
That's it, pull it straight now.
Which is what we
That's it.
Well,
So yeah, don't know what this is.
years ago.
Land and water.
And before that,
And we've got the army boats there, whatever they are. I don't think they're army boats, but they look it.
we used, but
This one, I'm sure it was.
it wasn't made clear. It wasn't made clear to us that this would be different. I mean, it's more expensive than the last time.
Floating marine specialist.
Well,
I've seen it, I've got it on video already.
never told. And, I mean, what is the point of having this?
I don't know what this is. It's not a very pretty structure.
And then we would have known and we'd have brought it.
Lots of boats down here, look. Oh, it might be some sort of boat repair shop, I think. As you can see, we're going a very, very fast speed. Well, can't we? We'll find a shop, won't we? I think that's what he said. You go this way because there's shops and pubs and stuff. Because I'm happy to buy them because I can use them in my camper. To be quite honest with you, because I don't have a panner out in my camper. I'm just trying to get inside that boat. Look. Look. I'm inside that boat. I'm good to accept. I've got my John and everything else to be put in there.
I mean, you're very happy to take the money, but you haven't given.
Right, so update on the boats. We had no pots and pans, and we've got these boats all day. Auntie Anne's worked her wisdom by that. She's probably the most threatening 80-year-old I've ever seen, or heard in my life. She's made them come out to the boats and bring in some pots and pans. So we're currently trying to find a straight bit on the canal to stop for them to catch us up and give us some pots and pans. So as you can see, the other boat's coming behind us over there, and we are currently trying to find a straight bit. Is this where they told us to come this way? Because it's just a big loop and a big circle. They sat there going, I told them to stop on a straight bit. There ain't any straight bits. I think that a lot of them look like care homes, mate. Right. Operation Pots and Pans. I'll keep you updated.
Susan, quick!
Oh,
Quick!
Yeah, I know. I'm videoing. I'm too busy videoing.
Go!
So this is going on my YouTube channel. Then I've got you being bossy on phone, being nasty to people.
did you get me being nasty, did you?
We have had these boats 3 times, and 8 of the 2 times you were there with it this time.
I'd like to hear that because I don't know what I said to her. Easy having a drink.
I'll do it. It's not going anywhere now. Just wrap it round that a few more times.
Captain.
Captain. Right, guys. So yeah, we're now moored up. A lovely picturesque area. Hi, Shelley. Don't know. Lawson's second appearance on the second channel. He loves it.
Dad, she stole me out.
You neither eat captains. Look at poor Cole. What's Cole doing? Does Colin need help? Let's have a little walk down. Right, we'll walk down and take you to the second boat. Is this the noisy boat? Are you the noisy boat? Oh, it's here as well. Is this Swan? He'll have your fingers off with its vicious teeth.
Oh, will?
Where's your life jacket? Oh, you just put it on.
Safety first. No, I've always had my life jacket on.
Have you?
Yeah. Where's your life jacket, guys?
Captain Harper, how are you finding it?
Fine.
Him?
Not like that with everybody.
Yeah,
One's
and the thing
sleeping.
is that how swans sleep?
Yeah, it's at the nest.
Oh, is it nesting?
What's that, sorry?
Gonna go back.
You won't be allowed.
So update on Operation Frying Pan. Apparently they've dropped us one off, and my dad and everybody's already set off walking. So that's fun. Oh look, Captain Ella.
Captain Ella.
Captain Ella. Let me in.
Wait, I've locked it.
So update on the frying pans.
Where's the restroom?
There is a toilet.
No, I mean,
Oh, the actual. Oh, you just need to move the young ones, and you just sleep on these. If
I
it,
have a mini camper.
I love it.
Oh.
I do love it. Yeah, it's a little bit humbling when you're parking next to some of the big ones that are in there,
Oh,
and
yeah, but let them show off.
the 20, 30 granders, and when you have to keep getting out to get the toilet to bring it back in because it doesn't have a toilet. Yeah, that's a little bit. And then you've got to carry the toilet full of
Yeah.
your family's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Well, liquid, we'll say.
It's love.
It's well, yeah, it's also a duty, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, but update on the frying pan situation.
Go on.
They've dropped them off.
Only one.
That's good.
Well, they've still dropped some off.
Drop one off.
Yeah, but Kevin and Susan and George's walked all the way back. So,
they're-
Tesco, it's only a 5-minute walk.
oh, a Tesco. Oh, that's good because if they buy it, that means we can keep it for camper. If they buy a frying pan and stuff, we can keep it for camper. So win-win. Tin Man with a heart. Boats down there, look, little chihuahua.
I kind of do recommend, but I don't recommend because they don't give you pans, and you need pans in life. You need pans in life. You need pans in life.
Is that it?
And
Next to the actual name. Go on. There you go. Skipton boat trips.
Airedale.
The boat Airedale, yeah.
Oh, Skipton boat trips, yeah. But they don't give you pans, so if you come in here, buy your pans, or you'll have to call them, like Auntie Anne did, and you'll have to have a go at it. Over and out.
Update: the Wanderers returned from Tesco. Every little helps, apparently.
In a minute, Ariella's just having some favours.
He's here, look. The hunter-gatherer returns. Yeah, your dog's fine.
You had a little swim. I'm only joking, Kev.
Are you a Neanderthal man? Are you the hunter-gatherer?
Yes. I've got hands
You do know she came and delivered some stuff. You do realise also the spots of rain that I can feel. Woman, get food. Woman, go out and get food. And big blue roll. That's a big shit, that. Oh, there you go. You managed it easily. Too fast for him. That sounded like someone just went a bit silly up front. Here we are, look, these are the views that we wanted. Beautiful. That's what it is. That little sheep's jumping, look. Oh yeah, I'm making a bacon sandwich. Expertly been cooked by Auntie Anne. Look, she's there. Auntie Anne and Susan are both slaving away. Done the first bridge. Kevin very kindly let me do it all on my own. Nice to hear that, Dad. You did have to steer, yeah. The other, which is now in front of us, because Dad had to slow down to get me on the boat. They did nothing, but they have assured us that they'll do the next one. Even though this one was manual, and the next one I imagine will be automatic. So, yeah. I'm shattered, if I'm honest, but this is beautiful. It really is lovely. There's a man there. Wave to the camera. There you go. He's sat there chilling. It's a lovely place. That's.
Hi peeps.
So that's Snagill boats up there. It's just lovely. It's a lovely, relaxed setting. It's nice Porsche up there. Look.
driving school
Achieving together.
So you can.
Nice scenery there.
That's all.
Just nice and relaxed. It's just a nice relaxed. Thank you. He's now having his butty. Courtesy of the chefs. I like how he puts it on full speed and then leaves it to me. Here we go, we've got some nice boats here, look. What is that? I have no idea, it looks like it. That's for sale, that, Dad. For sale, that one.
Sophie! It's Sophie, look!
Ah, it's Sophie. Dad, take speed down a bit. Over him again. We're back in front. Because they wanted bread, so we capitalised on the situation. We threw bread to them like they were ducks wanting nourishment. I think Susan actually threw it and it hit Sophie on the head. But yeah, we capitalised on the situation and we took over. Oh no, Liverpool, 100 miles away, look.
Are you Liverpool?
Well, not considering Liverpool's 100 miles away, as per that sign.
Are you going to Liverpool?
No.
We're going.
Can you imagine 100 miles at this speed?
So like,
but not
Hi
much.
YouTube.
You're weird.
YouTube. If this video,
At least you haven't said hi, chat.
if this video gets more than 2k views,
Not a chance.
if this video gets more than 100 views,
Okay.
I will do a horse vlog for you all.
Right, so nobody's watching this now then.
I'll do a horse all day vlog for you guys.
Really?
I'll do a day in the life of me
Oh well, there you go.
with horses. So
A day in the life of Evie will just be looking at your face if you're going to pretend to be the phone. Because
so
all you do is look at a phone screen all day.
100 views, we'll do an horse vlog.
Cool, I've stopped listening to you now. There, we're going to wave from the mister. It's just really peaceful. Louder. Evie's now in control of the boat. Evie's got control. She's going to take Grandad right under that tree. Ah, scary moment.
Heads down.
You're not even watching where you're going. See, the front end's now going that way. You want the front end to go that way now, so you need it to pull it that way. That's it, look, she's doing it. Now straighten it up again. That's cold. We found a lot of these geese actually come towards the boats. They're a bit...
It's getting colder up here.
I'm just here for fun. We're just filming your boat's name, that's all. Get dog up front. Is it automatic, guys, that bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it? Come on, Kevin. Do your stuff. Make sure there's no cars coming. Yep. Yep, there you go. Look. Whoa! Still have my head tucked down.
I'm sorry guys, but I'd have got that if I want
Yeah, of course you would. Oh, we've got a gap. Look how fast he's going there. Look at that. Poppy's run off. Auntie Anne's videoing me videoing. Set sail, sailors! Hey up, Airedale's going first. They had a race. Oh, we've got traffic as well. Daddy up! Wave, children. Wave. Thank you. Wave, children. Wave. We'll wait for our boat to come by. Sorry. Oh, we've got cars coming this way. We've got cars coming from over there. Look. Look, we've got traffic jams. Oh, we've got cars coming everywhere. Look.
Is there a button to close it then, Tom?
Yeah, it says close on it, does. Faster, yeah. They're also faster.
Ah, you see.
Want the crew look just sat in there.
The two seamen now, got it?
Wave. You filming me, filming you. Right, guys, if you could just navigate to the side, that would be fantastic. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I think we're just about done. Just about. There we go. Gate should go up. Oh my. Wow. This is what happens when the two people that have actually been captaining the boat leaves. Well, look, it's giving people a good giggle. There you go. Kev's now got to wait for all traffic. Little bit skew and whiff there, guys. It's a nice view, though. There you go. The first electrical. That is brilliant, Roy. Yeah, look at that. That is... we've got selfies. That is the first electric fence. I have a bit of a disastrous start with the pots and pans. It's been absolutely fantastic so far, it really has. Why are you on my boat? How did you get on my boat? Onward, Captain! Are we co-captains? Onwards and upwards. They're definitely not for the speed demons amongst us. That's for sure. So, how are you enjoying your day so far, Edison James Hill?
Good.
Yeah. What do you like about it?
Boats.
What's your hat that you've got on? Your mask? Shall we put it on? Oh, you've transformed into a chicken.
It's cute.
You had a chicken. Is that for Easter?
Yeah.
Are you excited for the Easter bunny coming?
Yeah.
Wonderful. So, do you
Tonight.
think you could drive the boat?
No.
No, why not?
I could.
Right.
I could if I was bigger, but I'm not sure.
Right.
I
Okay.
can't really reach it.
Right. Okay. Oh, they've properly gone them, Ed. They've left us. That's your mummy and daddy, that's just left you behind. What do you have to say to them? Thanks, mum and dad.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll catch them. There's lots of sheep round here, isn't there?
I know, because on our way we saw about every field we passed
Every field, yeah.
was a sheep in it.
Had sheep in it?
Also had
Yeah.
ponies.
Ponies!
Yeah.
Ponies and sheep.
Yeah, ponies.
Oh, look, we've got a swan and it's coming directly for us. Oh, no.
Oh no, I'm crashing!
It's a standoff with a swan. Who's going to win?
Oh, we will win.
I think we're a bit bigger than the swan, aren't we? Hello. You okay? You okay? Good swan. So, it's Edison James Hill. We've just done a test. What is a baby sheep called?
Cat.
What is a baby cow called?
Cat.
What is a baby cat called?
Kid.
What's a baby dog called?
Puppy.
What about a baby ostrich?
I don't know that one. Not too hard.
I don't even know that. I think it might be a chick because it's a bird. Where's the other boat? The other boat's gone.
Maybe they teleport us home already.
15 minutes, won't I?
What?
I was on boat for like 15 minutes driving it.
Yeah.
Hey, walk. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I felt kind of. Okay?
We're definitely cool about.
Yeah, we're guessing. We can't catch up, can we?
I think it might be because Roy might be going a little bit slow.
What?
Yeah.
It's just a video, but I'll snip it into a picture. Beautiful.
Where's my phone?
No, you've got bad angles. No. Do it that way.
It's like a long one like
Yeah,
that.
that's better.
I don't know.
There is a way of doing it. I think it's
Oh,
like
it's
that.
on
Smile.
down here, that cool.
I still don't like it.
Tough.
Yes,
I'll do it on my
sit
phone.
down. Sit down.
You're making that look easier than I did. Col, you might want to untether us to your boat. Or else you'd just be pulling us along. Well, they're going a bit close to us. Oh, look, you're going to be getting wet now. Oh, we have. Oh, we have. Oh, don't leave without me.
We've got it!
Right, look.
We've got you some snacks!
Oh, this is my treacherous walk. I'm treacherously walking, look.
You're lost!
All it needs is just to shake out a little bit and you're in water, mate.
I'm trying to film at the same time as walking on this. Walking the plank. I'm walking the plank, Kevin. Kevin is the plank. Oh. Every time I do that, I feel like I'm just going to go through the bottom.
We were doing like a questionnaire, do you like family?
Lily.
One of the questions was, what profession
Lily.
So I pushed it and I said,
Lily dog. Lily dog.
what French was I going to mind?
Lily
The
dog.
big boss was like singing it.
I'm one of them little French fancy things. Not bad going, that really, is it? Other boat's going. We've just done that other manual bridge there. That's some bad news. Apparently that's the last bridge we can get to. The next one's closed, so I don't know what we're going to do. But yeah, it's all good. Just crashed into a tree. We just crashed it. That will mean crashing. I'm not crashing because I'm not driving. But somebody else just crashed into a tree. Oh! There's a campsite there. There's a campsite over there, sir. I think we've managed to get ourselves through. Oh, that looks a bit ominous. That's where the hobbits live. Hobbits live there.
That looks interesting. Can I get the...
Okay, so we might have a little bit of a problem there.
Just keep moving.
Oh my god.
We're here on the peaceful canal, navigating the treacherous tree fall.
Can someone join me this?
Can somebody what? No, it's 5 foot deep.
Really?
Well, so you can always drown in any body of water, but you could also stand up.
Yeah, I got pushed in, I was drowned.
Dirty. It depends. If you got pushed in and you banged your head on your way down and you knocked yourself out, then yes, you'd probably drown. It's a nice conversation to have, isn't it? Sun's coming out now, look.
It's starting to get a bit warmer.
The other boat's steaming in front of us again. Really weird tree formations. Right, this is quite nice though, with all the little sort of overlapping trees. Sun's now shining. They look like nice woods, them.
Yeah. Yeah, purple on it.
There are bluebells down here. Going into the side again. Hide. Right, sit down. Oh, we've got a problem. It would appear that we've moored ourselves.
Those Grandad?
Oh, but I'm a bit scared then.
That was Kevin. That was Kevin. Kevin. It was Kevin that
I'll
was
let
driving
you drive.
then. Kevin. Kevin did that.
Dive. See this now?
Yeah.
Amazing.
I just realised we crashed. None of you even looked bothered. Hey, worse, didn't it?
Keep crashing.
They keep crashing into the side. It's him. Man in orange jacket and jumper. And they start shouting at me because I can't push a full boat off. I'm in trouble again.
Yes, tell them about that.
Hello.
Very tired.
Munching on your cake. Are you had a nice sleep?
I've had a nice little sleep, Dad. Are
You
you
what?
enjoying yourself, Anne?
Do you know what? I'm slowly getting sozzled on this sector. I was desperate for a cup of tea, and Georgia went, "Oh, I want a cup of tea," and I thought, I've only got 4 cups, so I had a glass of tea.
I love you. Go up there to your daddy. Kiss me. Oh! Kiss me. Right. Hi, Dad. Let's go to this one.
Oh, they've mowed up again.
Can't get out this time. Yeah.
Right, we're at the bridge that I believe is closed, so I don't know what we're going to do.
They're gorgeous, aren't they? Miss my pony. Been away for it so long.
What a day.
Yeah, wait. That's on there. Check it, Faye. Good jump on, you're coming on.
Good jump. Good jump.
No, don't mess with that.
They've gone.
I'm surprised. They won't know how to stop. Definitely mowed up, look. So we have mowed up both boats successfully. Look at that. We're just going to go investigate what's going on with this this bridge. Done all right there, haven't we? It's a nice view. It'd be interesting to know how far we've actually come. I reckon we've probably only come about 3 miles. But yeah, here we are. Well, we've seen Jack and now we've got Jim. Is it? Oh yeah.
This bridge is open, it's about after it's closed.
Okay, so we can go through it. Are we planning on going through it then?
Isn't it? I'd turn it round here, would you?
Evie's desperate to know where we are. If you look on your Google Maps, it'll tell you.
If you look on the map in the boat, it'll tell you.
Oh, does it? We're up Mary Street. There's some steep streets there. Right, so we've mowed the boat. We're not sure where we are, 100%. But we're walking just down here. Oh no. Nana, oh no. Nana, oh no. Hi, Lils. So we're having a walk. Right, we've got to come down this canal anyway, which is very, very narrow. You're still saying oh no because that play we found a play area, but unfortunately it was closed. So Ariella's now still telling everybody, oh no. I'm now deciding what we're going to have to drink, but look at that little bridge. That looks ace. That bridge. Like Monaco. Like a poor man's Monaco.
A stick.
I mean, I think it's
I'm not fussed.
There's a few tables here, guys. There's a pub somewhere around
just
here.
opposite. I'm sure I've just seen it.
Yeah, White Lion pub, yeah. It's a little bit of an eerie looking. Whoa, it's winded out. With Georgia, I think.
I hope so.
They're just so independent.
Oh, no, that.
5 milligrams.
Be careful, baby, because they're not all level this floor. So me and Ariella's just been in the church. And it's the St Andrew Church of Kildwick, the parish of Kildwick, Connolly and Bradley. Obvious reasons I didn't film inside the church because I just wanted to be respectful. But beautiful, really nice church. Yeah, proper, you could just tell it was like a old school sort of village community church. Really nice area actually, really nice place. But now we're going to go to the White Lion, I believe, for refreshments, which is probably not a good idea considering we're all driving boats. But yeah, the White Lion.
What's that particular flavour away?
My children's table. 26.
I'm sorry, that's none of my birthday. Yeah, and that's nothing for my birthday. And it looks like my birthday. Not that it.
Into the pub, we're on the way back now. That way. We're on the way back now, sorry you'll be steering again. So yeah, we're just on the way back to the, we've had to do a vigorous 3-point turn in the middle of the canal because one of the bridges is closed. But we're on our way back, so we're in a race against time now. We have to have the boats back at 4:30. It's now 3:15 or something. I don't know what that was. What was that? Horses up there, look. Now we've got this bridge to
down a bit.
Oh, horses, slow it down a bit then.
through the bridge.
Don't crash, please.
Navigating through the bridge.
That's a big jump.
What?
A jump.
Big jumping in that. Oh, like a pro. Like a pro. Echo! 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 Right? Oh, power.
Look at that baby sheep.
More sheepsies. Lots and lots of sheeps. Lovely views.
I don't know.
Sign up where? Is that a sign? A sign?
Is it?
Yeah, it's a pelican. I'm assuming it's real.
Anxiety, get off of me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
Well, that's it, we're back home. The old bus is there, look, back on the driveway. And that was it, canal boating 2025. Definitely recommend the experience. I'm not going to badmouth the company. At the end of the day, we've used, there's two main companies on the Skipton canals. We've used one before that provided everything, and I've been reminded that it was a cheaper cost. And the ones we use today was a little bit more expensive. Do you enjoy boats? Look at the air. Can you tell who had to sleep it back at camper van that way? They all busted well. She got us to the campsite. I say campsite, it's just a car park in Skipton that allows camper vans to park overnight. Yeah, that's it, we're home, and an enjoyable day, a really, really enjoyable day with family. So if you get the chance, Skipton Canal Tours, it's fantastic.